We had such a massive rainstorm yesterday. I didn't even know we were having, so I'm out here checking the garden to see how much damage it has done. But, oh, and the wind came along with it also. Yeah, hopefully when the sun comes up, or the sun is up. Jeez, oh Pete, I can't think today. The fog is out. We have fog in August. One of my friends said Fogust. Hopefully these will perk up. Rosemary looking awesome. But have a number of things laid over. Try not to swing you around to make you ill. Hey, you know, not too bad. Not too bad. Rebecca was going to harvest it today for drying, but now I'll have to wait until it dries and perks up a bit. Oof, look at this. Oh, hopefully I can save some. Snaps, these were spring planting. Cut those back with a hedge trimmer and they're starting to bounce back. Same with those. Good, very good, very, very good. Basil that I did a video on. They're starting to pop up. They'll probably really go crazy now if the sun comes out. I can't believe what a drenching rain it was. So refreshing, but oh my heck. And there was some hail mixed in. It was just weird for this time of year. But we definitely needed it. Sage is looking outstanding. I need to harvest that. Get some cuttings going for next year. I plan on planting those in a different spot. What do we got? I'm just a spider. Okay, cut the nasturtiums back. They're starting to come popping back. Lovely crimson sweet watermelon. Basil, outstanding. I know I need to trim the flowers off of it, but sometimes I use it in bouquets. Craspedia. Ooh, this got the brunt of the wind. I wanted to get some more color out of that orac. We'll see what happens. Lemongrass looking good. Yarrow. Isn't this gorgeous? I think it's the berries. I can't remember, but oh my gosh, the vibrancy. Willows that I just stuck in the ground. They were a stick about that big this spring. Look at how amazing they are. I mean, probably 8-9 feet. And those sunflowers, man, they held up excellent because that's right where the wind was coming from. Just gorgeous. Some everlasting. I don't like them. I probably won't grow them next year. They are tiny, tiny. We'll see. I'll dry them and see what they do for dried wreath arrangements. Of course, we've got a lone amaranth that popped up from last year. That one also. Trees look good. Yep, I had to lay the table down because the wind was horrid. Statice kind of laid down a bit. It'll perk back up. A bit windblown. Yep, time to trim some things. Nothing like a good wind rainstorm to add more work to your load. I've been getting these feverfew cut for dried arrangements. Gosh, they're kind of a vintage brown. Love them. Love them, love them. And my new calendula patch. Need to harvest once it gets dry. So, and the wormwood, time for a trim. So, I best get to work. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye.